Secrets of the Amazon Rainforest – Unveiling the wonders and threats of this vital ecosystem and top 20 mysterious facts. The Amazon Rainforest, also known as the Amazon Basin or Amazonia, is a vast tropical rainforest covering most of the Amazon Basin in South America. It is the largest rainforest in the world, spanning over 5.5 million square kilometers and stretching across 9 countries, including Brazil, Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana. The Amazon rainforest is home to an incredible variety of plant and animal species, many of which are not found anywhere else on Earth. In fact, the Amazon rainforest is home to approximately 10% of the world's known species, with estimates suggesting that there are more than 2.5 million different types of insects, tens of thousands of plant species, and over 2,000 species of birds and mammals living in the region. The Amazon River, which runs through the heart of the rainforest, is the largest river in the world by volume, accounting for approximately 20% of the Earth's freshwater. The Amazon River and its tributaries are essential to the survival of the rainforest ecosystem, providing water to the plants and animals that live there. However, the Amazon rainforest is currently facing a number of environmental challenges, including deforestation, climate change, and habitat destruction. The deforestation of the Amazon rainforest is a major concern, with estimates suggesting that the region has lost more than 17% of its forest cover over the past 50 years. This loss of forest cover has been driven by a variety of factors, including logging, agriculture, and mining, as well as the expansion of urban areas and infrastructure projects. Deforestation has a number of negative impacts on the Amazon rainforest and the global environment. In addition to destroying the habitat of countless plant and animal species, deforestation also contributes to climate change by releasing large amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Deforestation also affects the water cycle, leading to changes in local and regional climates and reducing the availability of fresh water. The Amazon rainforest is also home to a number of indigenous communities, many of whom have lived in the region for thousands of years and depend on the rainforest for their livelihoods. These communities have been severely impacted by deforestation and other environmental threats, and many are fighting to protect their land and way of life. Efforts to protect the Amazon rainforest and its inhabitants are ongoing, with a number of conservation organizations, governments, and local communities working together to address the challenges facing the region. These efforts include the establishment of protected areas, sustainable land use practices, and programs to support indigenous communities. The Amazon rainforest is an incredibly important and diverse ecosystem that is facing significant environmental challenges. The destruction of the rainforest has far-reaching impacts on both the local and global environment, and efforts to protect and preserve this vital ecosystem are essential for the future of our planet. The Amazon rainforest is of immense importance and significance for several reasons, some of which are: biodiversity. The Amazon rainforest is one of the most biodiverse regions on the planet, with a vast array of plant and animal species found nowhere else on Earth. Its unique and complex ecosystems play a critical role in maintaining global biodiversity. Climate regulation. The Amazon rainforest plays a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate, acting as a carbon sink by absorbing large amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Deforestation of the rainforest contributes significantly to global warming and climate change. Water cycle. The Amazon rainforest is a vital component of the Earth's water cycle, influencing local and regional weather patterns and producing a significant proportion of the world's freshwater. Indigenous cultures. The Amazon rainforest is home to numerous indigenous communities, who have lived in the region for thousands of years and depend on the rainforest for their livelihoods. These communities have a deep spiritual connection to the forest and its resources and play a critical role in its preservation. Medicinal properties. The Amazon rainforest is a rich source of medicinal plants, with many indigenous communities using its plants and herbs to treat a range of ailments. Some of these medicinal plants have been developed into modern medicines, benefiting people around the world. The Amazon rainforest is a vast and mysterious ecosystem that covers a significant portion of South America. Here are 20 mysterious facts about the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest is home to over 400 billion individual trees, making it the world's largest tropical forest. The Amazon rainforest produces over 20% of the world's oxygen, earning it the nickname, the lungs of the Earth. The Amazon River, which runs through the rainforest, is the world's largest river by volume and flows for over 4,000 miles. The Amazon rainforest is home to over 30,000 plant species and an estimated 2.5 million insect species. The Amazon rainforest is believed to be over 55 million years old, making it one of the oldest and most complex ecosystems on Earth. The Amazon rainforest is home to numerous indigenous communities, some of which have had no contact with the outside world. The Amazon rainforest is so vast that there are still unexplored regions and undiscovered species within it. The Amazon rainforest has a high rate of lightning strikes, with an estimated 100 lightning strikes per second during the rainy season. The Amazon rainforest is the only place on Earth where pink river dolphins are found. The Amazon rainforest has a unique form of agriculture known as slash and burn, in which farmers clear land by burning it and then plant crops in the ash. The Amazon rainforest is home to the world's largest snake, the anaconda, which can grow up to 30 feet long. The Amazon rainforest has a wide range of predators, including jaguars, pumas, and caimans. The Amazon rainforest is home to numerous rare and endangered species, including the Amazonian manatee and the giant otter. The Amazon rainforest is believed to be home to undiscovered tribes of people who have had no contact with the outside world. The Amazon rainforest is home to the largest spider in the world, the Goliath bird-eating spider. The Amazon rainforest has a high concentration of medicinal plants, with many indigenous communities using them to treat a range of ailments. The Amazon rainforest is believed to have a rich mineral deposit, although mining in the region is controversial due to its potential impact on the environment and indigenous communities. The Amazon rainforest has a high level of biodiversity, with new species discovered every year. The Amazon rainforest has a complex and fragile ecosystem that is threatened by deforestation, climate change, and other human activities. The Amazon rainforest remains a source of mystery and fascination for scientists and explorers alike, with many secrets yet to be uncovered. Thanks for watching. Next video. Which is the youngest sea on the Earth?